Amanda. I'm an e-commerce manager at the e-commerce agency Interact One, and today we're going to be talking about AI when it comes to development and coding. We've talked a lot about AI and the introduction to it in e-commerce in terms of marketing, and now I want to kind of switch gears and talk about development because that is one of our major core offerings, and so this has been a new kind of topic that we've had to navigate and understand in the coming year. Well, I want to start off and say that there are a ton of great tools for AI, and one of the things that we've learned is to definitely take a more hybrid approach when it comes to AI. So we want to embrace new technology and always use that to our advantage if it's going to improve workflows and our client sites. But at the same time, we don't want to hop on a trend just because it's trendy. And that is one thing that we definitely recommend looking at when you're thinking about using AI for development or coding. E-commerce agency that tends to work on some more complex e-commerce websites, we have found that the majority of the coding that needs to be done by our professional team and our developers because they just have years of human experience and expertise with problem solving that they can go ahead and tackle those big projects with in a way that AI would not ever be able to do. Found that AI is good for some small things like bug fixes, security patches, and trying to kind of work through some of those smaller issues. But like I said, this is not something that I would wholly rely on. I want to bring up to e-commerce merchants that are working with a team of developers is the question, is your development team able to tackle those large issues, or are they just kind of doing that basic coding work that you just don't want to deal with? Because if that is your situation, then you might want to look for an agency like Interact One that can go in and solve those large issues and also kind of use a more hybrid approach to help you save costs when it comes to those little AI bugs that you can fix. If you are interested in that, feel free to reach out to us at interactone.com. You can just fill out our contact form and we'll get in touch with you within a few hours or even a day. Love to work with you.